Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to reveal to you how you can fix the new location detected in your Discord account. For instance, guys, if you're trying to log into your account, but Discord keeps telling you that you couldn't log into your account even with the correct email and the correct password because Discord detected that you're trying to log in from a completely new location, maybe because you moved recently. So if you see a notification like that, guys, don't panic. Instead, follow my instructions. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to the inbox of the associated email address you're trying to log in and look for an email that has a title like that, usually verify Discord login from new location. You get emails like that usually and automatically whenever you're trying to log into your Discord account from a completely new location. So look for an email like that, and what you want to do after that, guys, is simply click on that verify login button here. That is going to open up Discord in a completely new window, and you will be asked to log into your account with your credentials, meaning with your email address and with your password. But this time your new location will be automatically verified so that you can log into your account without any issue. And that's basically it, guys. Just click on that button here and try to log in via that button. And that's all to it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.